cocktails based on the rum sour. So maybe we'll do a few of these so that we do any of these. Of course, the outstanding cocktail of the rum sour type is a daiquiri, which is a rum sour, pure and simple. I have already described the daiquiri grenadine, or the pink daiquiri. You can use grenadine and the daiquiri deluxe using orgeat or cream d'anise. I've also mentioned the fact that phalerum may likewise be substituted for the sugar, with a resulting flavor somewhat similar to that of a daiquiri deluxe. But if we substitute equal parts maraschino and cointreau in place of sugar syrup, we have a beachcomber. I'm gonna make a beachcomber, which I guess is a rum sour with cointreau and maraschino instead of sugar syrup. So we'll try that. Okay, this is pretty simple, but not simple syrup. We're gonna start out with 1 part of triple sec mixed with maraschino. This is gonna take forever. Then top that off with triple sec. Throw it in there. Next part, we have 2 parts fresh squeezed lime juice. You know, rum, lime, goes good together. Bojangles. And then we have 4 parts rum. I'm going with Jamaican rum. Felt spicy. You know, sometimes you do. So 8 parts of this is 4 of these boogers, since I started off with the smaller part. 1. And then, once that's all done, add ice. Shake it up. I'm gonna do a dirty pour because I'm nasty. That's just where you pour the ice in. Looks like puke. Anyways. Beachcomber.
Is that what the name of it is?
Mm-hmm.
That's not terrible.
Son of a beach. It's pretty good. It's one of those where it's mostly rum.
Yeah, I mean, I would drink it.
Yeah, it's not bad, but I do feel like you could probably double up on the marriage. The lime cuts into it really good. I would double up on the maraschino, cointreau, or triple sec combo. I might try that on my own, but yeah, it's pretty alright.
Alright.
Have a good one. Like and subscribe for videos coming out once every half a year or whatever we're doing these days. Hopefully more frequently in the future. Thanks for watching. Bye.